is Mother's Day and we appreciate all mothers in our life. I want to share something interesting about mothers, and I want to talk about an epiphany of a mother. Sometimes I wonder how mothers who have one biblical cord share with 3, 4, 5, 7 to 10 children. It's wonderful. I have imagined, and sometimes I think about how do these mothers share their biblical cord. Do they feel pains? Do they feel any injuries? I wonder how it happens. But these mothers go through all these pains just to be there for their children. As we are celebrating mothers today, I want to say Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. You are so wonderful, and we appreciate all the love, the care. Sometimes we may not even know how to pray, how to eat, how to bath, but these mothers take their time to pray. Sometimes we will be sleeping at night, yet they wake up at night, pray for us. We wonder how they mention each and everyone's name to pray for us during midnight. They cater for us, they make sure we go to school, prepare for us, and do everything they could in their power to make sure we have a bright future. I am who I am today because a mother raised me. I am who I am today because a mother stood in for me. We say an epiphany. An epiphany means an inspiration. If your mother is not being an inspiration to you today, then who are you? What are you? What are you doing with your life? When we look at mother's life, we could realize that when you reach at the age of 20, you realize you're becoming on your own. You realize you do things on your own, especially when you go to the university. When your mother is not part of you, how do you feed? How do you go about things? How do you do your other things? If you're not being taught by your mom, if your mom or your mother did not teach you the way to do it, how are you going to do your way? Myself, I didn't take it easy. It was tough. Also, there are certain people, they have anger, they have issue with their mothers. We all know that mothers are not perfect. Sometimes we fight with them, we argue, we disagree to agree. But that doesn't mean you should hold on an anger for a very long time. I believe when you hold an anger for a very long time, you develop hatred. And hatred doesn't mean love. Having love is having your mother by yourself. A lot of people today wouldn't be able to celebrate their mothers because they hate their mom. A lot of people are celebrating their mothers today, yet they are not talking to them. A lot of people are celebrating their mother today, yet we don't call them, we don't check up on them, we don't even care about how they eat, their well-being and everything. Mothers are the key holders to our life. We should love our mothers, show them care, call them, appreciate them, and then do other things that will make them feel, yes, this is my child. Don't waste time. Today being a special day, call your mom, check up on her. If you have any issue with your mom, this is the day to settle it. This is the day to call your mom and make settlement. I hope this piece will be a good source to each and everyone out there. Thank you all for listening to me. My name is Agatha Asante. I will be bringing you different videos from today. Thank you.